soften up the mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm.
Let's see if it's a work. Smile now. Look up. Doesn't hurt. It's just so creamy. So old. I think my husband feels stuck. He can't move his mouth or his eyes. Smile, smile. Let me see if it will break. Try smiling now. Like real smile hard. Let me see if it will break. I think I put too much here because it's not drying, and this is almost 30 minutes. And I put too much. I hope that doesn't hurt. I'll just go and use water and wash my hair. Because there are hairs here, I think it's very difficult to pull it out. I'm not even seeing any blackhead or anything. But it feels good. Your skin is, there's no oil, like it's drying out all the oils in your skin. This is work. Yeah, so much work. Cleaning process is so much work. Last, you go and wash it out. I cannot feel again. It did not come out as planned. Okay, your own is actually dry. Mine is not peeling at all. What's close to this? At the end of the day, we're gonna wash this out. Honestly, this peeling process is not going as imagined. I just thought like I would just peel it like once and everything will come off. It's not working like that, and I think we're gonna wash it out first. We'll wash it off. Mr. Man is already impatient, so this pinching process. I aged already. Their own peeled off. All the ones I saw peeled off, like it came off. I don't know what I did wrong. Okay. This is so good. Oh. Look around this color. After trying to peel it off and it wasn't working, I had to wash it off. And washing it off was the easiest thing ever. I really love my skin now. I feel so fresh and calm. Washing it off was so very, very easy. So I don't really know why we have to go through the pain of peeling it off. I don't know if it's because it's going to wax the face or something. But the way I scrubbed it in and then washed it off just made everything really easy. So Is there any difference? Is there any difference? Tell us in the comment section. Because I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if this is something you want to see again, please give this video a thumbs up. But know that I do a vlog, family, everything in between. That's me. See you in my next video.